Hello everyone, today we have a very interesting lesson. We will learn how to use there is and there are, and we will explore food around the world. Their instructors help us talk about what exists, what we can see, and what food different countries have. So let's start our lesson. First one is grammar explanation. We use there is for one thing or for uncountable nouns. These things we cannot count individually. For example, there is a pizza, one pizza. There is a rice, rice is uncountable. There is soup, soup uncountable. We use there are for many, for more than one thing, plural nouns. For example, there are 3 bananas, there are dumplings, there are vegetables. Contractions and spoken form. In speech, people often say there is for there is. There is a pizza. For plural, we do not say there is commonly. We keep there are, and it sounds like there are many apples. How to make negative sentence? To make negative sentence, we add not. We often use contractions in speaking isn't and aren't. There isn't any juice. Contractions also say there is not any juice. There aren't any apples. Contraction of there are not any apples. Important detail, with countable plural nouns we use any in negatives. There aren't any bananas. There isn't any milk. Example with food. There isn't any sushi in the fridge. There aren't any tomatoes left. There isn't sugar in this cake. Sugar is uncountable. Short negative practice. And read with me. There isn't bread. There aren't eggs. How to make questions. I think it's very interesting lesson. To make yes/no questions, we invert the verb and the subject in there. In there are there. Is there any tea? Are there any noodles? Short answers: yes there is, no there isn't. We or yes there are or no there aren't. For a simple yes/no question, raise your voice at the end. Is there is any tea? For a question word like where or what, you usually lower your voice at the end. What food in Japan? Is there rice in the bowl? Yes there is. Are there dumplings on the plate? No there aren't. So final reminder, using there is and there are helps describe places, menus, markets, anything that exists. Practice the positive, negative, and question forms. They are easy and very useful. So guys, thank you for watching. Now you can explain affirmative, negative, and questions with confidence. Good luck.